was ever since 1964, I've been saving silver. So right now I'm trading in my silver to buy more Bitcoin because the silver I was buying was at 10 cents an ounce. Today it's $30 an ounce. So the dollar went down, the price of silver and gold went up. So now I'm going to trade that for Bitcoin. So I want to talk about Bitcoin. It's your generation's people I'm concerned about are my generation, younger guys, because they don't know anything about it. And the reason Bitcoin is doing so well is because my generation or generation before, America is now the biggest debtor nation in history. They're printing $1 trillion every 90 days.
Robert Kiyosaki has always been an advocate for alternative assets. Gold and silver were once his safe haven, but now he's shifting entirely toward Bitcoin. It's not just about diversifying investments, it's about protecting wealth from a financial system he believes is crumbling. For Kiyosaki, the lesson is simple. Those who cling to outdated financial principles risk losing everything.
So again, it's Bitcoin Zella. Listen to it. Go to YouTube. Check it out because the dollar is coming down. Let me say it again. If I was to spend $1 a second, it would take me 31,688 years to spend $1 trillion. And like I said, when I'm angry at the fuck Obama, he put your generation in debt, student loan debt. These sons of bitches, these academic, Democrat, liberal, commie pinkos. What is wrong with them?
Kiyosaki's concern isn't just about inflation, it's about generational debt and financial ignorance. He sees the traditional banking system as outdated and manipulative. His frustration stems from people's unwillingness to acknowledge the changing landscape of money, particularly the boomers who still cling to traditional investment vehicles like 401ks and bonds.
When I saw that thing start climbing back up, I said, I watched it at 6. And I said, I think 6 is the number. So I backed up the truck on 6,000. So today I think Bitcoin is what, 20,000?
For Kiyosaki, the game has always been about timing. He didn't buy Bitcoin when it was high. Instead, he waited, studied, and made a calculated decision. He likens it to real estate. He doesn't sell properties, he holds them. He doesn't save dollars, he saves assets that he believes will hold value.
And you wonder why school teachers are broke? Because they don't know nothing. My whole family are school teachers. Good people, nice people, Marxist, but good people. I don't care if you're a Christian, a Jew, a Buddhist, or Israeli. I don't really care. Just show me the money, as that show says.
Kiyosaki believes that traditional education fails when it comes to financial literacy. Schools don't teach students about money, investing, or the flaws in the financial system. This, in his mind, keeps the average person financially trapped while the wealthy continue to prosper.
Why do you think the old people don't get it?
They're fucking stupid. I've studied this for most of my life since I was 16. Well, I'll just say that much. When I was 16 years old, I started looking at what we call the quarters and half dollars. And then when I was 18 years old, our silver coins, like the quarters and half dollars, turned into fake money. That was 1965.
Kiyosaki is blunt about why older generations don't see the shift happening. He points to historical changes such as the removal of silver from U.S. coins and warns that similar manipulations are occurring today with fiat currency. His frustration is palpable. He sees what's happening, but many around him refuse to acknowledge it.
Hey, look, I'm not saying it's not a smart dude. He's a very smart dude, you know? But yeah, you can listen to Grant Cardone also. You can listen to me. You can listen to Dave Ramsey, who says live debt free. You got to choose your teacher.
Sure.
That's all I'm saying.
Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of choosing financial mentors wisely. While Warren Buffett may dismiss Bitcoin, others like Michael Saylor and Raoul Pal embrace it. The key takeaway? Learn from those who understand the evolving financial landscape and make decisions based on knowledge rather than outdated principles.
But that's not the problem. The problem is our money. I don't know what's wrong with people. This is the biggest change in world history, the shift from fake money to crypto, to digital money. And I'm on it as hard as I can. Like I said, Bitcoin Zella, they do a great job of educating people. Raoul Pal does a great job. Talks about banana, because right now the price of Bitcoin is going through the roof. That means the dollar's coming down. But the people my age still save dollars. Dollars coming down, Bitcoin's getting up. They can't get it. They can't get it. They're so fucking stupid.
Kiyosaki makes a bold claim that Bitcoin represents one of the most significant financial shifts in history. He sees the transition from fiat to cryptocurrency as inevitable, yet many refuse to see the writing on the wall. He criticizes those who continue to trust in government-backed money, believing they are missing the biggest wealth-building opportunity of a lifetime. While Bitcoin soars, traditional currency continues to devalue, leaving those who fail to adapt at a disadvantage.
You got to be rich to have that stuff. And she shakes her head because this violates every one of her Christian values about the love of money is the root of all evil, right? She says, no, they weren't. That wasn't why they were. That's why they weren't wise. I said, so tell me why. So one of the most valuable lessons my little Sunday school teacher taught me. She says, because they always sought the best teacher. And for them, it was Christ. For many in my family, it's Buddha. For the Muslims, it's Abraham. For the Jews, Jews is Abraham. For the other guys, it's all this. So in real life, seek your teachers. If you listen to a school teacher about money, I'll pray for you tonight.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You want to listen to Warren Buffett? Listen to him.
At the heart of Kiyosaki's philosophy is the idea of learning from the right teachers. He warns against taking financial advice from those who lack real-world investment experience, such as school teachers or traditional economists. Instead, he encourages seeking out those who understand wealth building in the modern age. Whether it's Bitcoin, gold, or real estate, success hinges on learning from those who truly grasp the future of finance. Throughout his career, Robert Kiyosaki has challenged conventional wisdom. Now he's making his biggest move yet, trading all his gold and silver for Bitcoin. He sees the digital currency as the future, while fiat currencies crumble under government mismanagement. While many in his generation refuse to see the shift, he's taking action. But the question remains, will the majority wake up before it's too late?
So thanks to Raoul Pal, I was buying it at 6. I got lots of it. I'm getting richer as the dollar goes down. But my age group, the old boomer guys, we have no idea what's going on, and they choose to be stupid and poor. But this is one of the biggest changes, this Bitcoin change, one of the biggest changes I have ever seen.
What do you think? Is Bitcoin the future of money, or is Kiyosaki taking too big of a gamble? Let us know in the comments below.